Hi everyone, this is kit 2, but I am getting a bit delirious and I have got the giggles because I realised as I pressed record again, this is the third video I've done in the space of a couple of hours. I'm going a bit hoarse, but also it's the third video I've done with my handbag on the bed. What am I doing? Although I'm putting this on YouTube, it is very much in the style of one of my Instagram lives. So I'm in my bedroom, sitting in the window. This is a basement bedroom, so it's very dark normally. I have a big mirror behind. This is a mess. Why didn't I move the handbag? But obviously I'm working from home. I'm on my vlogging camera, so it's a weird angle. It is what it is. I am barefaced because when I do Instagram lives, I demo a lot of product on my skin, and I just go with the flow. I'm used to it now. Also meant I didn't have to put any makeup on. Joy. So kit 2, kit 1 demo is up. The announcement video is up. If you have no clue what I'm talking about, like I said, you might want to go and watch them first. If you don't, this is kit 2. Kit 2 is for your skin if during lockdown, instead of getting spotty or suddenly getting breakouts, you went dry. So people's lockdown skin has tended to do this. If you're lucky, you're in the middle and you're a bit dehydrated. Most people have had more extreme reactions. So kit 1 is probably more for you if you are suffering from breakouts. Kit 2 is more for you, although I will clarify in a minute. Kit 2 is more for you if your lockdown skin means you're drier, redder, definitely dehydrated, and when you've cleansed, your face is tight, right? If that rings bells, you will probably find more comfort in kit 2. However, both kits are designed for all genders, all ages, all skin types. There's the odd caveat that I've mentioned. If I haven't mentioned it, it probably means you will be fine. But everything will be in the ebook. That is, by the time you see this, the ebook will be available online. It looks like this. It's pages and pages and pages of info. Look at that. It's very sexy. We've never done it before. Underneath all the visuals, you won't be able to see, but there's tons and tons of little symbols that tell you whether something is cruelty-free. Both kits are cruelty-free. Whether something is a vegan product, whether something is not suitable for you if. However, most things are suitable for nearly everyone. Every item is suitable for pregnancy and breastfeeding. Joy. You can tell I've done that a few times. I hate being left out. So like I said, kit 2 is also for you if you have a slightly more mature skin, or you are younger, but your skin just happens to be drier. That's the way we've decided to split them. Originally, we were going to do fewer items and it was going to be an AM and a PM, because a lot of people say, oh, I need a daytime kit. I don't really have anything for the daytime. But with Corona, and people being furloughed and out of work, I did not want to give you the impression that you have to buy 2 kits. You absolutely do not. I know a few of the freaks have already jumped in and said, oh, I'm having both. All power to you, your choice. I hope you're divvying them up and sharing them. But, so kit 2, I am talking to you if drier, dehydrated, red, agitated, and suitable for everything except for the first product. If you have active acne, I think you will struggle to take this off without irritating it. But everyone else, especially if you're drier, this pot of joy is rich and gooey and makes cleansing a pleasure. Beauty Pie Plantastic Apricot Butter Cleansing Balm. Looks like this. Let me see if I can get it. Hang on. Oh, I've been playing with it, but look. It's rich, it's thick, it emulsifies, it does whatever you want it to do. It takes off makeup, it takes off SPF. Like I said, my only caveat would be it's so rich and thick, and that's wonderful for someone like me. But if you have active acne, removing this could potentially cause you a bit of irritation. So that's my only contraindication. And actually, it's one of the only contraindications in the entire, across both kits. I'd rather just give you a heads up though. So if you need other things in this kit, you could donate this to someone like me. I mean, not literally me, I'm good. Okay, acid. But let me just quickly say, because I know a lot of people ask, I still apply this. I just scrape it with my finger, go like this. I massage it all over, give it a really good massage. It will do makeup, it will do SPF. Take a flannel, wring it out under warm water, flannel all down the face. If you're American, that's a washcloth. It's not Bryan Adams' shirt from the Run To You video. Take it off the face, and then you're good to go with your acid. Your acid is one of my favourites. It's also the way I like it packaged. It's Pixi Glow Tonic to Go. It looks like this. Now, this acid is 5% glycolic acid. This is not the super strong peel pads from Pixi. They're 20% glycolic. This is 5%. I didn't want to do anything too intense. I do have a sick thought in my mind that I could do something called a hardcore kit. And the hardcore kit is like if you are old school. So maybe the next time around we'll do like a pure beginner's set and then a hardcore kit. Is that appropriate? These are soaked in Glow Tonic, sealed in there. Oh, it is properly double sealed. I haven't even played with this one yet, look. All the pads are in there, soaked with Glow Tonic, 5% glycolic acid. The reason I put this into this kit, the AM kit has Dr. Dennis Gross pads, they're glycolic free. When you are slightly older, and anyone can use them obviously because Pixi Glow Tonic is known worldwide and sells thousands and thousands of bottles, but when you're slightly older, glycolic is key for your collagen production. So that's why these are in this kit. Eye cream. Man, if I tell you, I cannot believe we got this product in the kit. And this is the only product in the kit that was a suggestion from the Facebook Freaks group, and it wasn't me going, I want this product. They do not stop talking about caffeine eye cream from the Inky list. Now, it looks like this. The reason this one is in kit 2 is because the main thing it says is tired eyes, reduces puffiness and dark circles. And I thought, well, if you are a bit older, or when your skin is dry, your eyes do tend to look more tired. So that's why this one is in here. It's still super, super light. I can demo it now because I don't have any makeup on. Fantastic. I'm sorry, the joy of lockdown, I always do extra around my lip. The joy of lockdown is I had to eventually take my nails off. I did it last week. I was showing people on Instagram. They were so hideously long with my gels. They were like here. So obviously I'm a trained beauty therapist, so I have my kit. I took them all off, oiled them up, but I'm really, really enjoying having my therapist hands again. And anyone who works on skin will know what I mean. Maybe not the boys, because they tend to have short nails, but girls who have longer fingernails, you can always tell when a beauty therapist is on holiday because she has nails. And I'm really enjoying not having nails. Totally digress, but then it wouldn't be me if I didn't. So Inky List is your eye, and that's how I apply my eye cream. It might look like I'm going hard. I promise you I'm not. I do it across all 3 fingers, and then I do it that way around the ring. This is still part of your eye, guys. You don't just put it here. Caffeine eye cream, by far the most talked about eye cream in the Facebook Freaks group. They are sadistic for it. It's also perpetually sold out. So thank you very much, Inky List, for saying yes. Now, this is a repeat from kit 1. Once we heard what Oscar wanted to do, I was like, well, we have to put it in both kits. I love it. I want it. It's my favourite vitamin C. I've spoken at length about it, both in Insta Lives and on the blog and wherever you've seen me at events. Oscar vitamin C. Now, it looks like this normally. This is their 30 travel pack size. It's around 34 pounds. I can't quite remember. I don't know what this is going to look like when I put this up, but the light coming from the mirror, it's very nice. Maybe I should just film always here. This is by far my favourite vitamin C, like I've said before, potentially of all time, definitely of recent times. It is yet to be matched for efficacy, application. These are all biodegradable, so when you pop the... Actually, I can do it now, can't I? I might as well. They come like this. They're in a lovely little heart-shaped... See? You just pull the top off. Ready? Hey! Focused on my fingers at the right time. Quick therapist swipe. Oh, man, it's amazing. This is vitamin C, vitamin E, lycopene, like amino acids. I'm not going to drag it all the way down my neck because I am wearing clothes. I would normally. But the glow action on this product is insane. So you are not I'm just going to make sure I get it all out. I can't do wastage. I'm sorry. Look, I've got a bit of extra. When you're done with this, you can chuck it in your compost heap or throw it out the window. I mean, don't make mess. When I say throw out the window, I have a garden, so I can just go, yeah, off you go. They are biodegradable. It is, I just love this vitamin C, and I adore Oskia, as you will know. If you're new here, go to the blog, there's hundreds of posts, but brilliant, scientific. Again, the thing with all of the brands in my kits, and it will always be that way, is that they put the science first. They don't sell by fear. You will notice no one is like, know this, know that. I'm just not here for that. So science-led, British brand, love it. Now, these two, I said when I did the overview video that I don't think I will ever make a kit without an option from these two brands. I mean, there are other brands as well, but these two are kind of like, oh, what can I have from them? First one is Zelens. This is why I said if you are slightly drier, you will love this. This even says on the back, the importance reinforces the skin's natural barrier. Oh, maybe just read a bit more. Reinforces the skin's natural barrier and helps protect against environmental damage. Now, this is Zelens Z22. It looks like this. It is a super lightweight facial oil, but it contains 22 plant oils. It is divine to use. If you are drier, your skin feels parched, it feels tight, you go red really quickly or really easily, you have lockdown dry skin. If you are a woman of a certain age, if menopause is banging on your door, you will love the Zelens facial oil. Literally, actually, let me just put some on. I mean, this is the last video I'm doing, isn't it? So I might as well. You do, let me show you. Right. I mean, I'm not going to put more on than that because I've just done my vitamin C. Therapist swipe, which I've demoed on Instagram before. One swipe of the hands. Look how your hands go in the scale. This oil, you can go all around. Oh my God. That's the problem. That's why I don't do a lot of demos when I'm doing a YouTube video, because I get completely distracted by how amazing the application process is. Oh, it looks like I'm really pulling. I promise you I'm not. I would spend more time and I would go down my chest. I would go down to take it to the tits, but I'm wearing clothing I don't want to destroy by covering it in oil. Z22, Zelens facial oil. If you are slightly menopausal, as I started to say before I got carried away thinking, because there's no more joy from me than talking about skincare and applying it at the same time. If you are slightly menopausal or very menopausal, or that ship sailed a long time ago, as my mother used to say, if the shop is closed, it's trade only, right? Your skin will love this product. It's everything you want in an immediate gratification. And I'm telling you now, people, on top of this, the glow is real. Now, the last one is it's in my top 3 products of all time. As soon as I put the hint up, those of you who know me well knew exactly what it was, because you're savages. Again, I put this in this box because you could use this if you were younger. It won't do you any harm, but you will feel the benefit of this if you are slightly older or just older. Kate Somerville, Peptide Kate Power Cream. It used to be called Deep Tissue Repair. They had to change the name, which I totally get. When it was Deep Tissue Repair, same box. Everything else is exactly the same. The formula has not changed. It is magnificent. It's been on my blog for... I saw it, Facebook reminded me of a clip the other day. I think it was from like 2014. So when it was DTR, as we used to call it, it was my favourite moisturiser stroke serum because it's so much more than moisturiser. And now that it's Peptide Kate, I like the name change because it tells you what it is. Peptides are what you need. Think of them as scaffolding for your skin. So if you are slightly older, or if you're drier and your skin has a compromised barrier function, what you will find with peptides is that it's a bit like having scaffolding out of a building, and they put more scaffolding in to help support the structure. It is a phenomenal to call it a moisturizer is like calling a Rolls Royce a car. Do you see what I mean? It is a car, it is a moisturizer, but it's a beautiful process. It is, as always, in the Kate packaging like this. I'm only going to do a teeny bit. You pump until you get the amount you need, but I don't need much because I've got a face covered in oils now, which is lush. And again, with fingers, please don't, if you missed my Insta live where I was talking you through my nighttime routine. Please refrain from putting something on your hands and doing this for half an hour. All you're doing is making your hands soft. The minute you get something onto your fingers, your aim is to get it onto the other hand and straight onto the face. None of this. And never any of this straight onto the face with the pipette or a pump. Or, please just don't do it. So, the glow is real, folks. These products will pling. Quick recap. Plantastic cleansing balm, apricot butter cleansing balm, and it does feel like a butter. It is beautiful. Pixi Glow Tonic to go, because I wanted something easy, simple, good simple acid, 5%, not enough to cause you, it's not going to give you a fright, but it is going to make your skin go, oh, that feels nice, especially if you've never used them. Inky List Caffeine Eye Cream, most popular eye cream in the Freaks group, and they know their shiz. Oskia Super C capsules in a travel pack with the logo. Total limited edition. So obviously I'm just going to keep filling up from these. This is the full size. I'm just going to keep filling up. Zelens Z22. Cannot go wrong with the dock. Cannot go wrong. And then my Desert Island moisturizer. I like that they call it Power Cream and Advanced, because it is. This is so much more than a moisturizer. It is loaded with peptides. This basically, these three are your support structure for your skin. Vitamin C, beautiful plant-based, 22 plant-based oils, and then a cream that is loaded with peptides. Now that, checking my figures again, is worth £331. It is coming to you for the bargainistic price of £150. I'm just putting it out there that this on its own is 127. So for a further £23, you get everything else in the kit. They are on sale now. I'm just going to make sure everything gets back in the kit because Ava's here. And if I don't put things away, they walk. I will link everything below. The ebook will be available. I will be mainly on Instagram for any questions, but obviously I will be checking in with the YouTube comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love them as much as we do. It has been a labour of love, especially when Corona hit. And if you have any questions about why we went ahead with the launch, why this time of year, how we got to 2 kits, watch the announcement video. It's half an hour long and I take you through the whole process. I hope you love them. Please let me know how you get on. See you next time.